Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we will learn about the activity diagram in software engineering. Okay, so basically an activity diagram is a diagram in UML, Unified Modeling Language. Okay, UML means a standard way of drawing a diagrams in software engineering. Okay, an activity diagram shows the workflow of a system. Like that means it explains step by step how a process happens in the system. Okay, so purpose of activity diagram. So why do we use it? Okay, it shows the flow of control, how one step goes to the next step. Then it helps to understand business processes. Then it is used in a requirement analysis and system design. That means before coding we can plan the flow of the system. Okay, and it also helps in finding parallel processes steps that can happen at the same line or same time. Then now let's understand the main parts of an activity diagram, components of activity diagram. First is initial node, a filled black circle. This shows the starting point. Then activity or action means shown in a rounded rectangle. This means a task or operation. Examples: browse products. Okay, then decision node, a diamond shape. This means a choice or condition. Okay, example: payment success or payment failed. Okay, then merge node means it combines multiple paths into one path. Then fork node, it splits one path into two or more parallel paths. Then join node, it joins back the parallel paths into one flow. Then final node, a circle with a dot inside. This means the end of the process. Okay, and last one is transitions arrows. These arrows shows the direction of flow from one activity to next. Okay, so let's take an example of an online shopping system. Okay, the process starts at start node. Then the first activity is browse products, next is add to cart, then make payment, then decision. If payment succeed, go to order confirmation. If payment fails, shows error message and asks to retry or cancel. So finally it ends at the final node. Okay, so this way the activity diagram shows the complete flow of activities step by step. Simple. So now we can see importance of activity diagram. It gives a clear picture of workflow. Okay, then both developers and clients can easily understand it. So it helps to identify errors, bottlenecks and parallel activities, and very useful for designing, testing and documentation of software systems. Okay, so basically an activity diagram in software engineering is a UML diagram that shows the flow of activities and decisions in a system. Okay, it helps us to visualize the process clearly before coding. Okay, that's all about the activity diagram. Thank you.